Hello traders, I'm Mohsen. I'm very happy to be with you. Sorry for delay in my recording videos. I'm trying to capture some good videos and analyzing the FX market with Elliott waves. And I think this is Nowruz Eve, and congratulated to all. You know, whereas uh, whereas Middle East Middle East people have this Eve, and I'm congratulated to them. Anyway, as you see in this chart, this is the USD JPY hourly chart, and you see I'm labeled into different colors. It's one in black and one in red. This is how I show the several, or maybe most of the time, the multiple scenarios. This is very important for you to know all the future scenarios. What would they be, and what should we do? How should how could we prepare ourselves for these scenarios? It's very important. As you see, in the red scenario, I thought wave 4 is end of wave 4 is here, and this is the wave 5. All of this 1 2 3 4, and then last one will breach this. And why? Because in expanding diagonal, wave 5 should be bigger than wave 3, and the at least target for wave 5 is this level, 100% of level 3, wave 3. So it is one scenario, and the second scenario that I considered is that this is the first. This is wave 4 here. We have a wave 5 here. That its wave 5 is truncated. Then this is the wave 1 with the long scenario, and this is its wave 2. I really don't trade the fifth wave of expanding diagonals. I mean, I don't really trade A, B, C. So I want to let it and concentrate on the first scenario that I show here. Let's check. Let's consider it, that if this scenario happens, what should we do? So, as you know, this is ABC of wave. As you see, this is the ABC of wave 2, and I myself trade with this trigger, that when the extremum of level B is broke with this stop, I mean the end of wave 2, my target, or my initial target, is the end of wave 3. It may go even more, the second TP, the third TP, I don't know, even more, but it's the minimum target. Let's see, its risk to reward ratio, it is almost 3, so it would be a good and great trade and target. But I didn't set a position, a buy stop position for myself. So what should I do now? I think I can consider it as wave 1 2 3 4 5 of 3, and we should try to catch this if this is true. For example, 1 2 3 4 5, is it a leading diagonal or it may not be? So it's very important for ourselves to consider all the possibilities. So I myself prepare myself to see ABC. I think it may be correct. Yes, it's not impossible, but 1 2 3 4 and fast 5. Yes, it was possible. The ABC, or maybe ABC. This is the 16 of this. Yes, this is no, it's 15% of the last wave. So it may be ABC, or just this is the A, and we have another B and C. Also, I choose another color for ABC. So if this scenario is correct, what should I do? Another hold, new trade. So this would be my trigger, the end of wave B. This is my stop, and this is my TP. Take profit here, and we can see all here. Can delete it now, and this is even more better than previous structure. Or I can let the pattern be completed. If I am in doubt, I can wait and see what would happen with this ABC, or even if it's ended here. But consider analyzing with Elliott wave is not all the things that we can do and we can use in our trading, and it's just Elliott waves. It's a great understanding of the market, and we can use it, and it's great, and I think it's a base, and it's not all the trading, because it shows us some very good points in the analyzing the market. So for example, I myself use a little price action, very little price action tips. For example, let me show you. Yeah, you see, this is a low here, this is a low, and we have a lower low here. Again, we have a high, and after this low we have a high, lower high. They are I don't consider this because the real trend's not cool, reversing in this place. But see this low. What is this structure for you? We call it in classic patterns head and shoulders. So if this would happen, we may have a great trend up in the future. But consider another great point in price action, and all of us say excuse me. All of us all of us listen that hear it that maybe every trader say trend is our friend, and as we see in this chart, the trend is downward. This is not upward, and we are trying to catch a reversing pattern. So the possibility that we have a win trade is very low. I myself I don't trade these kind of positions. I want to talk to you about this. This is very important for us. Yes, Elliott wave is great. I know. Yes, Elliott wave can help us to trade better, but we should be careful about the whole concept. You know, what is the whole concept? What should we do with these situations? We should know that we cannot trade counter trend. You know, and this is very important. I think I myself should talk about this, and I think this is important for you, and I hope you will have a great trade, and I am really great that I can help even a little to other traders and other new traders. So I'm very glad to, and I'm honored to be one of you traders, and I hope you have a great new year. I mean, for Persians, and happy Nowruz, and have a great day. Goodbye.